Adding metasploitable 2 to the VM. Metasploitable 2 is a vulnerable machine. It is used to test hacking tool. We can perform vulnerability related practical on metasploitable 2 virtual machine because it has lots of vulnerability present already. Because in live network, in real network, we have a machine with updated, and we cannot test some hacking tools with that updated machines. So if you want to test some vulnerabilities tools, so we need to install metasploitable 2 into VMware workstations. So in this video, I will show you how you can download Metasploitable 2 and how you can configure Metasploitable 2 into VMware workstation. So let's begin. Just open browser and search on Google Metasploitable 2 sourceforge.net. Site sourceforge.net will give output only for this website sourceforge.net. You can see we have a first link metasploitable. Just right click on it and open in new tab. You can see HTTPS, it's a good indicator, and we have a website sourceforge.net. You can download Metasploitable from this download button, and here you can see readme.txt file and metasploitable-linux 2.0 zip version. Here description about Metasploitable. Metasploitable is an intentionally vulnerable Linux virtual machine. It is Ubuntu based Linux machine, and this VM can be used to conduct security training, test security tools, and practice common penetration testing techniques. So hope you understand why we need Metasploitable. Just download it. It will take half an hour, hour and a half. You can see your download will start shortly message. So you can download from this website. I already downloaded Metasploitable and I've stored it into D drive. You can see it is downloadable. It is downloaded from sourceforge.net. Its size is 832 MB. So I've extracted using WinRAR software. You can extract by right click on it and just click on extract to Metasploitable Linux 2.0.0.0. You can also use 7-zip for extract. I already extracted. This is folder of Metasploitable. Just go into this folder and double click on this file, VMware virtual machine configuration file. It will open with the VMware workstation. Just power on this virtual machine. It will start Metasploitable to Linux machine. MSF admin username and password is also same, MSF admin. Here you can see already defined username and password for this Metasploitable. Metasploitable is working fine. So if you want to reboot it, you need root credential. So you can reboot using init 6 command, but it gives need to be root message. So if you want to shut down this machine, use init space 0 command, but we need to be root. So use sudo space -i, it will see to the root, and now you can shut down this machine using init space 0 command. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you understand very well.